We just saw how AI helps clinicians interpret medical images to diagnose patients. Now we are moving from the clinic into the research lab, where scientists use AI to search for entirely new medicines. We are now diving into the next major stage of the healthcare pipeline, focusing on how artificial intelligence is transforming the way scientists discover and develop new treatments. This section follows the journey of a new medicine through 4 stages: the traditional bottlenecks, the breakthrough in protein folding, the shift to generative molecular design, and the current state of AI-discovered drugs in clinical trials. First, we need to understand the immense scale, cost, and time required to bring a single traditional treatment to the pharmacy shelf. Every medicine begins with drug discovery, the research phase where scientists identify a biological target and find a molecule that affects it. That leads into drug development, the years-long process of lab testing, human trials, and the final regulatory review. The sheer scale of this process is difficult to overstate. On average, it takes more than 10 years and over $2 billion to bring a single medicine to patients. For every successful drug that makes it through this funnel, thousands of others fail. The core challenge is one of physical geometry. Many drugs work by attaching to a specific protein in the body. To design a molecule that works, researchers have to understand the exact 3-dimensional shape of that target protein. Historically, this was a manual, slow-motion search. Scientists had to navigate a search space of possible drug-like molecules that is larger than the number of atoms in the solar system, all while the 3D shapes of the proteins themselves remained largely invisible. When you combine that vast number of possibilities with the high failure rate of human testing, identifying a single effective candidate becomes a mathematical near impossibility. This brings us to a massive leap forward in computational biology that recently cleared one of the field's oldest hurdles. A protein starts as a simple chain of building blocks that twists into a shape. That final structure determines exactly what the protein does. For decades, predicting that final shape from the initial chain was a barrier that could take years of physical lab work to resolve for a single protein. In 2020, Google DeepMind's AlphaFold system effectively cleared that barrier. It learned from known protein structures to predict the shapes of new ones with high accuracy, turning a process that once took years into one that takes minutes. AlphaFold has since predicted the structures of more than 200 million proteins, representing nearly every protein known to science. This breakthrough was so significant that its creators, Demis Hassabis and John Jumper, shared the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for removing one of the most persistent obstacles in biology. It is important to separate the myth from the reality here. AlphaFold does not invent finished medicines. It predicts the shape of the biological target. Knowing that shape helps scientists design a treatment, but that treatment still has to be built and proven safe. AlphaFold cleared the first major roadblock, giving researchers the map they needed to start engineering the actual molecules. With the target structure identified, the focus shifts to engineering the right chemical compound to fit it. Once a protein structure is known, the next task is to design a chemical compound that interacts with it correctly. Generative AI now enters the lab. Systems like AlphaFold 3 predict molecule interactions, letting researchers virtually generate and rank thousands of candidates. Companies like Isomorphic Labs position this AI at the pipeline's start, identifying ideal molecules before physical manufacturing begins. This doesn't replace the work of biologists or chemists. Instead, it rescues them from an infinite search space by providing a highly curated, mathematically sound list of candidates to test. Finally, we evaluate the current landscape of these newly generated treatments as they enter the real world. These AI-designed molecules are now entering human clinical trials. A prominent example is rentasertib, a drug for a serious lung-scarring disease. AI was used both to identify the biological target and to design the molecule itself. Results from 2025 mid-stage trials were promising, showing that patients on the highest doses had improved lung function compared to those on a placebo. To see where we are in the larger picture, we need to look at the full drug development pipeline. AI has successfully collapsed these early discovery phases, target identification, shape prediction, and design, from years down to months. However, there is a hard boundary here. AI cannot skip lab testing, human clinical trials, or the final regulatory review. These steps are mandatory to prove safety and effectiveness in living people. This is why, as of early 2026, no AI-discovered drug has yet received final FDA approval. A clinical trial is a strictly controlled study in human volunteers. Regardless of how a molecule was discovered, regulators require evidence that it is safe and works as intended in the human body before it can be prescribed. AI provides a much faster path to a viable candidate, but every molecule must still move through the same rigorous human testing and approval process as any other drug. We have seen how AI clears the early bottlenecks of drug discovery, but as these new treatments reach more people, healthcare systems face a new challenge: managing and monitoring these treatments in the real world. That moves us to Section 4 on operational AI.